Litecoin's price is down today, partly due to the sell the news sentiment following its August 2 halving. Litecoin's price is down today, mirroring downside moves elsewhere in the cryptocurrency market. LTC price fell over 1.5% on August 16th to around 78.25 cents, underperforming the rest of the crypto market, which dropped 60.65% in the same period. The downside move came as a part of a broader pullback trend that started in early July. The crypto market decline coincided with the US dollar index's recovery, as Cointelegraph discussed here. However, Litecoin's correction started a week earlier than the crypto markets, driven by its overbought relative strength index and a dying sentiment in the days leading up its halving on August 2nd. LTC price has dropped over 30% since the day its RSI crossed the overbought threshold reading of 70. Meanwhile, when measured from the halving day, the price is down 16.45%, hinting at a sell the news scenario extending into August 16th's bearish session. Data tracking addresses that have held Litecoin for more than 155 days, aka hodlers, show a persistent accumulation sentiment. Notably, the monthly HODL net position change metric flipped from negative to positive on July 23rd and has remained the same ever since. In other words, Litecoin's most loyal investors have accumulated LTC tokens ahead, and after halving, displaying their bullishness toward its market. However, Litecoin's richest investors or whales appear to be at the forefront of the ongoing LTC sell-off, according to sentiment data. And for instance, the Litecoin supply held by addresses with a 1 million to 10 million LTC balance has declined by 0.5% since the halving, and similarly, the 100,000 and 1 million LTC supply cohort has dropped 1% in the same period. An independent market analyst, Rect Capital, highlights the ongoing Litecoin sell-off as a typical event that succeeds the coin's halving. But eventually, the price discovers a so-called accumulation range and follows it up with a sharp rebound to establish a new record high. That the customers do in Shocking Manager have their bigger jobs, and their safe funders, is good for screen for a talk to most. In other words, if the historic cycle repeats, Litecoin will fall toward $40 in the coming months, down about 50% from the current price levels. Technicals, however, are slightly more upbeat for LTC price. Currently, Litecoin's price trends lower inside a falling wedge pattern, raising the prospects of a bullish reversal in the coming days or weeks. Falling wedges form when the price fluctuates inside a range defined by two descending converging trend lines. They resolve after the price breaks out of the range to the upside, while meet and rises toward the level at height equal to the maximum distance between the two trend lines. As of August 16th, LTC price was eyeing a breakout above the wedge's upper trend line. Depending on the breakout point, LTC USD can rise to anywhere between $83.25 and $95.75 by October 6% and 20% respectively from the current price levels.